Hey everybody, are you ready for Miracle Dish Monday? Here we are. So I have so many zucchinis in my garden, I just cannot keep up with them. This is half of one. Look how big this thing was. So it's zucchini recipes to the rescue. And today we're going to make zucchini stuffed tuna melt. I think that's the official name. So you want to take your zucchini and half it, and it's going to depend on how big you want your boats. These are the size that I chose. Let's see if I can pick this up. All right, I just did it in half like that. And then what you want to do is you want to scoop out the insides, but don't throw them away because you're going to use that for other things. I actually have my little mandolin over here. I'm going to go ahead and use zucchini a little bit later in another recipe. So what you want to do is scoop them out so that you just have the shell, and then you're going to oil it lightly and just a little bit of salt and pepper and put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, just till they start to get a little bit soft. In the meantime, you're going to go ahead and make your tuna. Now, depending on how you like your tuna, go ahead and put some extra stuff in there. It really tastes good. So obviously your tuna, you can do mayonnaise, salt and pepper, but go ahead and add dill, add relish, add a little bit of Dijon mustard. All of that will just add a little bit extra flavor. So once they come out of the oven, you're going to go ahead and stuff them with your tuna. And then on top of them, let me get this all done first, you're going to put your tomatoes and then cheese. So that'll depend on your preference, what kind of cheese you like. I just have little grape tomatoes that we grow in the garden. Remember, this is Jersey, the garden state. Gotta love those Jersey tomatoes. I'm gonna show you how this looks before I put everything together. And then we're just gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And that's it. That's how easy this is. A delicious lunch or an easy dinner, especially in the summer, an easy dinner, using zucchini, using fresh vegetables. This is hot, so let me pick it up this way. All right, can you see? If I don't make them fall. Ah! All right, so we're gonna put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and that's it. Zucchini stuffed with tuna. So I hope you like this recipe. Definitely try it out. I'm gonna have another one later because, again, we have too many zucchinis. Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com. Thanks for joining.